So let's start the revision of that topics that we have covered yesterday. Okay, Aryan, what is scripting?
It is a programming language for adding dynamic capabilities to World Wide Web.
Very good. Achut, what are the two types of scripting?
Clients side scripting and server side scripting.
Example languages used for server-side scripting. Emmanuel, languages used.
ASP, JSP,
Hmm. Ashwin, client-side scripting languages.
Java, VBScript, ActionScript.
It's not Java. Java is wrong. JavaScript. Java is a different language. JavaScript is a different language. Okay. So what is Web 2.0? Atul,
Second generation of the World Wide Web.
what is the speciality of that?
It is a more interactive and dynamic version of the World Wide
Okay.
Web.
Dia, what is e-commerce payment?
It is when you purchase goods online and pay by electronic medium.
The different modes. Aditiraj.
Ma'am, credit card, debit card, net banking, then mobile banking, UPI.
Very good. Okay. So before moving to the next unit, let's see the sample question paper and the questions from this particular unit, networking. Okay. Now you have to answer for these questions. These are from Python. Okay, question number 9. Ashwin, you can read.
Name the protocol that is used to send emails.
Answer? Answer also you have to say. You think? Adityaraj? Mail. So there's a protocol which contains a word mail. Refer and tell me the answer.
This is from networking one, right?
Yes, networking 1 and networking 2. There is a protocol which contains the word mail. Adil KK?
SMTP.
Very good. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So that is the answer. Okay. 1 mark question it is. Next question, Achud, you can read 10th question.
Ma'am, can you see the answer, ma'am?
SMTP. If you know the full form, you have to write it. Otherwise, you will get marks. It's okay. Evaluator will be impressed if you write the full form expansion. So next question, even if some mistake is there, he or she will give you a little bit mark because expansion is perfect. The answer is perfect. So 10th question, Achut.
Your friend Ranjana complains that somebody has created a fake profile on Facebook and defaming her character with abusive comments and pictures. Identify the type of cybercrime for this situation.
Answer. This also we have studied. So you will be getting this kind of application-based questions. Any idea? Anyone?
I'm bullying.
Not simply bullying. Cyber bullying, or you can write cyber stalking. Many words are there. If you have doubt whether it is this or that, you write both. Okay, use or or this? Answer is
Cyber trolls also.
cyber.
Cyber trolls.
Trolls. Yes, cyber trolls. Trolls you can't consider as a cyber crime. It's not a cyber crime. Okay. The trolls can be, abusive comments and pictures. Here the question is identify the cyber crime. So you need to write cyberbullying itself. Troll, okay, but it won't be coming under cyber crime. Okay. Okay, 15th question, Srihari.
Name the transmission media best suitable for connection to hilly areas.
Hilly areas. Anyways, it's not wired medium, isn't it, Srihari? It's not wired medium. Hilly areas. Digging is not possible. Emmanuel, any idea? Which are the different types of wireless medias?
Sat.
Wireless.
Modem.
Emmanuel, no. That's a device. Communication media. Medias are of two types. Yes, wired or wireless. Microwave, then? Microwave, then? Checking memory power. Yes. Infrared rays. Correct. Then? Satellite. Then?
Radio waves.
Radio waves. Then? We'll give you a clue. Heating. Preheating. Heating, warming. Which way?
The UV radiation.
UV radiation that is not coming in this wireless media. That is there in electromagnetic spectrum. But here the answer is microwave. Okay, so here the question is, name the transmission media best suitable for connecting to hilly areas.
He told.
So, who told? I did not hear it. So the answer is radio waves also. It it can penetrate walls and large distance. Anyways, infrared is not the answer. Why, Ashwin? Why infrared is not the answer?
And they do not pass through solid objects.
Not only that. Okay, that is one reason. One more reason is
It is used in cordless now. Short
distances coverage is very less. So infrared is not the answer. So the answer is actually radio waves. But in your answer key, the board has provided microwave or radio waves. So if you have any doubt, you can just write with or. Even the board has given the answer with or. It can be, both can be used. Yes.
Here it is not told like wireless media, right? We can write fiber connectivity also.
But hilly areas. So you should not write wired medium. Understood? Achut?
Yes, ma'am.
In the question, there will be some clues. which will lead you to the answer. So next question is, yes, write the expanded form of Wi-Fi. 19th question. Where's Alvin is here? Aditraj.
And wireless fidelity.
Wireless fidelity. Very good. It's gone. 21st question. Ardian, you can read.
Rearrange the following terms in increasing order of data transfer rates: GBPS, MBPS, TBPS, KBPS, and BPS.
Increasing order of data transfer rates. So,
First is BPS.
it should start with increasing order means ascending order, isn't it, Ardian?
So first is TBPS.
No, you said the answer as TBPS first, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, that is not the answer. That is decreasing order. That is descending order. Here it is ascending order. So you should start with BPS. BPS, then
KBPS,
KBPS, comma,
MBPS,
MBPS. Very good.
GBPS,
GBPS,
then TBPS.
TBPS. Very good. So that is the answer. Very simple, right? Your sample paper? Yes or no, Emmanuel?
Yes, yes.
You study, it's very simple, isn't it? Next question.
Next year's syllabus is released, right?
Next year syllabus is also what? Next year syllabus?
Like they released the new syllabus.
Yes. This
So-
topic is there. There is no change. I will show you after the sample paper. Some topics are deleted in this sample paper because of this pandemic, but all topics came back. So you have to study all the things. This is the 26th question. Dia. Sorry, 25th. Question number 25. Only one girl was there. It's not there. Okay. Sri Hari. Question number 25.
Differentiate between viruses and worms in context of networking and data communication threats.
So as I told you, you'll be getting only 2 marks theory as a theory question. See, this is a question. What is the difference between virus and worms? Hope you know it. I'm not asking. So you have to refer and you have to find the answer. So, yes.
Question paper maximum will be 2 marks.
Yes, not maximum 2 marks. Theory will be coming in 2 marks. The maximum is 5, but 5 means single 5 questions. That's from networking itself. Programming 4 marks, maximum 4 marks programs. Okay, from this unit you will get only 2 mark theory question. Or so you have an internal choice. Next option is differentiate between web server and web browser that we have seen just now in a previous day. Write any 2 popular web browsers. And also you know. Okay, next question, 26th question. Achyut.
Expand the following terms: SMTP, XML, LAN, and IPR.
Expand.
SMTP, I don't know.
Simple mail transfer protocol. Next one.
Extensible markup language,
Mm.
local area network,
Mm.
intellectual property rights.
So simple. So you have to expect one question, expand the terms. Half mark for each expansion. Okay, Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
Then if you have the last question as 5-mark question from networking. Yes, this is the question. Who can read question?
Ma'am, 38.
38, yes.
Mindbase University is setting up its academical block at Naya Raipur and is planning to set up a network. The university has 3 academic blocks and 1 human resource center as shown in diagram below.
So these are the 4 buildings: business block, technology block, HR center, law block. Okay. So understand the question. This is again an application based question from networking unit. Okay. Now, centers to center distances between various blocks. What is the distance? Law block to business block, 40 meters. Law block to technology block, 80 meters. Law block to HR center, 105 meters. Business block to technology block, 30 meters. Business block to HR center, 35 meters. Technology block to HR center, 15 meters. So in every question, you will get the same thing. Distance will be given. The building picture will be given, I mean diagram. The number of computers in each of the blocks. Law block, 15 computers. Technology block, 40 computers. HR center, 115 computers. Business block, 25. Okay? Is that clear? The question? I think this is the same question I sent in the group. Send it for IP students. They are also getting the same kind of question. First question, Adityaraj, you can read.
Suggest the most suitable place to install the server of the university with a suitable reason.
One mark. So most suitable place, half mark. Reason, half mark. This is the most suitable place, Adityaraj.
Ma'am, HR center.
HR center. Why? Reason.
And there most number of computers are
Yeah,
there.
very good. So your answer should be in which block you find the maximum number of computers. In that block, you have to mount the server. Hope you understood. Okay. So this similar kind of question will be asked for all your examination, board examination. The first question will be this. Suggest the most suitable place to install the server with a suitable reason. So your answer is clear, I guess. Next question is Ashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number B.
Suggest an ideal layout for connecting these block centers for wired connectivity.
Layout means you have to draw the diagram. Emmanuel, sit straight. You have to draw the diagram. What kind of connection it is? Wired connectivity. So when you get this kind of question, what you have to do is take your question, draw exactly the same way using pencil and ruler. Okay? The same thing you have to draw in your answer sheet neatly. Now the question is connectivity. How you can connect it? So with the connectivity, there are 2 options. The first connectivity option is based on the distance. Here you can see the distance is very less, isn't it? 40 meters, 80 meters, 105 meters, 30 meters, 35, 50 meters. So it doesn't matter whether we connect using distance. Difference in distance is very less. Now let's check for the number of computers. The second layout is based on number of computers. Here you can see 15, 40, 150, 24. So a huge difference between the number of computers when you take HR center and business block, technology block, and law block. And where is your server? In HR center. So what do you think? Where you need to connect all your systems directly, Ashwin? Connection?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you need to connect it? Any idea? I will tell you what you need to do. Since HR center has the maximum number of computers, take the connection, wired connection from technology block. Okay. This should be your answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can't we do like a low block to HR center, and from the same connection we can connect business and technology block?
Low block to HR center then. That's the thing I have written. I mean, Achud, what kind of connection? Once again, I didn't get you. Hello, Achud, are you there?
Connect low block to HR center.
Low block to HR center. Okay.
So we have a straight line, right?
Okay.
Connect business block to the straight line and technology block to the straight line.
Business and technology block together.
No, ma'am.
HR center to low block, I understood. What about the next one? Next connection?
Ma'am, connect a business block to that wire going from low block to HR center.
That means business block and low block should be connected. That's what you meant, right? Okay, now you tell me where to connect.
Ma'am, connect business block to that red line.
Red line.
Yeah.
No. In drawing, you can connect to a red line, but here the connection between the blocks. You have to connect to one block. To which block?
HR center.
Huh? Understood. Here the question is how to connect. So suppose HR center or computer sends information to business block. How the connection should be done? Or technology block is sending some data to law block. What should be done? When you draw the connection, it should not make a loop. Loop means full circle. So why we have taken connection from HR block? Because HR block has maximum number of computers. 115 computers are there. Server is mounted there. That is why you're connecting to business block. I mean, from HR center to all the blocks. This is your answer for that question. Is that clear, Achut?
Yes, ma'am.
There are situations where you need to consider the distance also. In this question, your answer is this, because there is a huge difference between the number of computers when you compare HR center to technology block, business block, and law block. Now, the next question. Question number C, Srihari.
Which device would you suggest to be installed in each of these block centers to efficiently connect all the computers within the blocks or centers?
Okay. So which device? Which device will you suggest to be placed or installed in each of these blocks to efficiently connect? See, efficiently connect all the computers within these blocks. That's the clue given to you. Atul,
Switch.
it is?
Switch.
It is switch. You can write the answer as hub or switch. So better to write switch because that is intelligent, more intelligent than hub. Why switch, Emmanuel? Why not modem? Modem is your favorite device, right? Why can't we use modem? Emmanuel, modem is a device. Ah, come on. What did you say?
She say intelligent.
Since it is intelligent,
Okay.
that is why we selected switch. Why can't we use modem?
Model is for slots, right? And
No,
Yeah.
modem device, when we say modem means it is used to connect for internet connectivity use modem, basically. Whatever you're saying about the 4 slot, that is called router. Okay, that is called router. Here, switch is used because if you have only two systems in one block, should we use switch? Achyut, is there any requirement to use switch?
No.
Because that system can be directly connected to the other system because only two systems. If there are more systems number more than 2, your answer is switch. Because all the systems should be connected to switch, and switch will be forwarding the data to the intended nodes. So the answer is switch. That is also a sure question. Which device should be mounted in all the places? So you have to write the answer is switch should be mounted in all the buildings. Okay, that is your answer for that question. The next question. D. Question number D. Aryan, where are you? Aryan? Aryan. Achit?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number D.
Suggest the placement of a repeater in the network with justification.
But you need to place repeater. We studied about repeater. When to place? Where to place?
When the connection or the network is over long distance, there is a sense of
Long distance.
yeah,
Okay.
loss
Okay.
of,
And we have done the connectivity, best layout we selected, isn't it? What was that best layout? HR center to technology block. What is the distance? HR center to technology block, 15 meters. Very small distance, no need of repeater. Do we need repeater? No. Then our next connection was from HR center to business block. HR center to business block. 40 meters. Should we use a repeater? Achyut,
ma'am.
should we use repeater?
I don't think so, ma'am.
No, 40 meters. We don't have to use repeater.
But for 105, we may.
HR center to low block. See your best layout you have to consider. Don't take all these things which has given in, okay, HR center to low block. That is 105 meter. So you can write the answer as repeater can be used from HR center to low block since the distance is more than 100 meters. With some justification you can write, because we don't know which kind of wired medium they are planning to use. If it is the optical fiber, do we need a repeater?
No, ma'am.
No. So you, when you write the answer, you have to write with an explanation. Why my answer is this? Why I am writing repeater should be used between HR center and low block. So the answer should be written clearly. Then
Ma'am,
question number,
fiber
yes.
after kilometers, right? After
Yes, but here it is not specified what kind of medium is used. If some clue is there, suppose the question is best wide medium for connection, then you will write the answer as optical fiber. Then suppose the question is suggest the placement of a repeater in the network with justification. Then you will write no need of any repeaters since we used optical fiber, and even though distance is not kilometers, only 100, maximum is 105. Okay, so in that way you need to write the answer. The last question, Emmanuel, question number E.
The university is planning to connect its admission office in Delhi, which is more than 1,250 kilometers from university. Which type of network out of LAN, MAN, or WAN will be formed? Justify your answer.
Yes.
WAN,
WAN. Why? Justify.
wide area network.
That is okay. Why?
Distance is long.
Distances?
Very large, 1,250 kilometers.
But you said just now low. I heard something like that. Low. Distance is more, which is within not the coverage of man or LAN, outside LAN and MAN. So it is WAN, wide area network. So for writing the answer WAN, you will get half mark, and for the justification, you will get half mark. So this sample paper is quite easy, isn't it? Now I will show you the mark distribution. Okay. Computational thinking and programming, 40 marks. That is your Python. From Python, you'll get getting 40 marks. Computer networks, 10 marks. The 10-mark portion is covered. See the database management, 20 marks. Total, 70. Clear? So I hope everyone will get
yes,
10 marks full.
ma'am.
Mhm.
If the number of PC is the same in all the blocks, then what will we do?
Is the number of PCs are
Same.
same?
Yeah.
Whether it is same or different, if number of systems are more, you need a switch or a hub.
No, ma'am. So we can place the place it anywhere, right? The server.
Number of systems are server can be placed anywhere. Then what matters? The distance. Then draw the layout based on the distance. Find the shortest distance and draw the layout. And don't close it. Don't make it as a loop. That is wrong. Okay, so database management 20 marks. So total 70. So everyone got 10. Now we will move to the next topic, that is database management. 20 marks. We'll practice queries. And when the school reopens in June, we'll be getting some more practical periods. So Python theory plus practical you will be doing. Okay, together. So database management will be the next topic I'll be teaching you. That will take the next class, and I'll show you the unit-wise syllabus. What is the network? Yes, network topology. These are the unit 2 computer networks. That was the second unit we just finished. Okay. You can check where if any portion is still to complete. I think I covered everything. Switching techniques, protocols, yes. Repeater, wireless protocol, yes, yes. So next class, we will start our next unit, that is database management system. Even though you have studied, many of you still have confusion in writing the queries. Am I right, Achut? So you should not lose any marks in database management also. So 20 plus 10. So 30 marks. Then the rest will be from Python. So finally, everyone should get above 95 plus 30 marks for practical. So hopefully everyone, thinking that everyone will get 30 out of 30. It is Python programs. So total 70. So 95 above.
Database also.
Database?
No.
Yes.
Practical.
Practical.
Yeah.
Practical, one pure Python program plus one program Python and database connectivity. Python, you need to connect to SQL. That is your second program. In that way, SQL is there. But for YY, SQL will be asked. Okay. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.